Right. And now we come to the final act of the conference, where James Smith will give a formal closing.
Thank you, Neil, for that introduction. It's really much less formal than what you might think. It's Friday afternoon. I know we all want to go home, and the last thing that you want to do is hear my voice. So I promise it will be the last thing that you do. So I must just really express our gratitude. First of all, to our sponsors, without whom this conference would not have been possible. We've got them on the screen behind me. Thank you very much. Our platinum sponsor, thanks Canary, Marco. Thank you very much for your generous contributions. Our gold sponsors, there are two of them. Firstly, the Python Software Foundation, the international foundation who have supported us, as well as my own employer, the South African Radio Astronomy Observatory. Our silver sponsors, Amazon Web Services and the City of Cape Town, who were also kind enough to provide a city for us to host the conference in. Our two patron sponsors, Afrolabs, David, thank you very much, and the Center for High Performance Computing, and then an opportunity sponsor, Black Python Devs, who provided funding for more people to attend this conference who would not have been able to otherwise. We're really grateful to all of these sponsors. As I mentioned earlier, more information on each of these is available via our website. So if you're interested in more in learning more, please get in touch. Next, it wouldn't be much of a conference without the speakers. So we've thanked them all individually, and I'd like to thank them all again collectively now. Thank you for your preparation, for sharing your wisdom and insights with us. A special word of thanks to Dayan, our sound technician. Without you, none of this would have been possible. As well as to the J&J Conference Center here at Belmont Square, who have provided the facilities and the food for us, which have been very much appreciated. And finally, to the conference organizers, my colleagues and friends, who have given of their time over the course of the past year to bring this event to you in the format that it is. So to the volunteers and the organizers, thank you very much. And with that, I declare the conference is closed. See you all next year.
One final thing before people go, there is swag outside. Yeah. So when we do finally let you out, grab a mag and a bag.
Yeah, yes.
Lost a thing. And if anybody lost some earphones, come and talk to me.